Let's explore the word aspect, which refers to a particular part or feature of something. It's a term that helps us break down complex entities into more manageable and understandable components. Consider the multifaceted nature of planning. One important aspect of the plan is its cost, highlights the financial dimension, a critical factor that influences decisions and outcomes, underscoring the necessity of considering all angles. Now, think about the wealth of knowledge in specialized subjects. The book covers various aspects of gardening, points to the diversity within a single topic, from soil composition and plant varieties to tools and techniques, enriching our understanding and appreciation. Reflect on the process of evaluation and decision-making. They discuss the different aspects of the proposal, illustrates a thorough examination of all elements involved, ensuring a well-rounded and informed assessment. Lastly, envision the appeal of practicality and design. The design's practical aspect appealed to them, emphasizes the importance of functionality alongside aesthetics, highlighting how different features cater to varying preferences and needs. The concept of aspects allows us to dissect and delve into the specifics of any subject, providing clarity and a pathway to a deeper understanding of the world around us. If you're intrigued by the intricacies of how things are composed and the importance of looking at all parts of a whole, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Join us as we explore more words that help us navigate through the complexities of information and ideas.